We're back at my son's driver's ed school. My son has one more hour of driving left, and that final hour involves having the parents go with the ride-along. Before the instructor arrived, I figured we'd check the lovingly dubbed Squirrel Condominium for scrap. And to our surprise, we had some presents waiting for us. Three extension cords, some miscellaneous wires, and a giant wire from a washing machine. Woohoo! I love those surprise scrap finds whenever you're out and about, not intentionally scrapping, but you find scrap anyway. And this was quite the honey hole, wasn't it? Ease. I was pleasantly surprised to find that my son is a great driver. I guess he's got skills too. I couldn't have been more proud of my son. Now that he has his permit, I let him drive home that night. To the victor go the spoils. And I'm going to show you just how much copper is in those spoils. Ease. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put you in my homemade little mini tripod that I take everywhere, which is basically made out of a cell phone holder with a suction cup that no longer works. So I just took a piece of pine and super glued it in place. And this thing has been my little mini tripod for years. So let me go ahead and put you in place here. All right. So I'm going to strip all that copper wire that I got from yesterday's super awesome scrap find. So let's go ahead and get started. For those of you new to my channel, welcome to Gil Skillz. My name is Bob. Today I wanted to give out a few shout outs to a few YouTube channels that I feel truly deserve some recognition and some additional subscribers as well. The first and foremost on my list is a scrapper called Scrapper Dave. Scrapper Dave is one of my favorite channels to watch, primarily because he simply tells you just the way it is. No fluff, no muss. The man is a walking, talking library of knowledge when it comes to scrapping e-waste. From crystal oscillators to tantalum capacitors, he knows it all. And he tells it in such a way that it's an intriguing story to listen to, leaving you simply wanting more. Scrapper Dave has also started trash picking and dumpster diving as well. Don't miss out, folks. Head on over to Scrapper Dave's channel, watch a few of his videos, throw in a few likes and a few good comments, and subscribe, because he truly, richly deserves it. And again, you'll watch his channel and you won't want to stop. It's like eating a Pringle. You can't just have one. You gotta have more. The second YouTube creator on my list is Recycle Dude. Recycle Dude is another scrapper with skills. The man certainly knows how to scrap, but he also picks and chooses items and throws them up on eBay and local barter swap sites to make a little extra money as well. And he's musically inclined. Check out his awesome intro song. Trust me, once you start watching his videos, you'll know why I'm giving him this very shout out. The third YouTube creator on my list is Free is Better 86. Free is Better 86 has such a friendly, positive attitude, especially when it comes to scrapping and ways to make and save money. It's such a joy to watch her channel, and she deserves more exposure so that more people can enjoy it as well. Please head on over to Free is Better 86's channel. Check out some videos, like, comment, and subscribe, because again, she's got a great channel. The fourth YouTube creator on my list may not necessarily need an introduction, but I'm gonna give him one anyway. It's the Scrap Kingdom. The Scrap Kingdom scraps full time and tells his story almost in real time. He tells it the way it is, and he's one of the most genuine YouTube creators and scrappers on YouTube today. Scrap Kingdom is also closing in on his 2,000th subscriber. So let's go ahead and head on over to his channel, check out some videos, like, comment, and congratulate him on that, and ultimately subscribe so that he can make it to 2,000 and beyond. Congratulations, Scrap Kingdom. The fifth YouTube creator on my list is Refuse Reuse. Refuse Reuse takes a multitude of things and transforms them and reuses them and makes them into works of art. Both practical and aesthetic, they are beautiful works of art. The man gets an A+ in my book for creativity, because he's sure got a lot of it. Head on over to Refuse Reuse's channel, like, comment, and ultimately subscribe, because again, he's got a great channel, and trust me, it's worth it. Please be sure when you actually go over to these channels and subscribe, tell them that Bob from Gil Skillz sent you. Wow, that copper's really starting to add up, isn't it? It took less than 5 minutes to pull that out of the dumpster. And accumulatively, it took me about an hour to complete this task of stripping the wire. In an upcoming video, I'm actually going to go over the pros and cons of stripping your wire versus not stripping your wire. The cost differences, the whole 9 yards. We're going to go into a deep analysis of whether it's worth it for you. Whether you do it full-time, part-time, you do it on the weekends. We'll go over all things copper wire and determine what's right for you. Show me some love. Tell me what you want to see in one of my upcoming videos. Hey, are you guys still awake? I need you guys awake so that you can hear what I have to say at the end of the video. You'll want to know. Have I mentioned how much I appreciate you guys supporting my channel? If I haven't lately, I appreciate you guys supporting my channel. I'm going to scrap this anyway. I know I could probably sell this and make money, but these plugs are actually loose and part of them is broken, so I don't feel comfortable reselling that. It could fail, cause a short. I don't want to be responsible for that, so I am going to scrap this. I had a commenter tell me fairly recently that it'd be best if I actually separated my DIY from my scrapping videos. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. Should I have a separate channel for DIY and a separate channel for scrapping? Ah, and here's the bounty. About 10 pounds or more of copper. We've got a decent amount of scrap here with the plugs that I've accumulated and some of the connecting brackets. We've got some light iron here that will go in the light iron pile, and some miscellaneous wires. They're low grade, so they'll go in my low grade bin. Remember this 1940s porcelain Gulf Refining Company sign that I had in a video a couple videos back? Well, I put it up on eBay, and lo and behold, it actually sold for $227.51. Not bad from grabbing it from a scrap pile. One of these signs in near mint condition sold recently for $1,700. They seem pretty rare. This is a great example of trash to cash. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate your support, as with the 5 recommendations that I just made to you fairly recently in this video. And now, if you'll excuse me, I've got to catch up on some of my favorite YouTube channels. Thanks for watching, guys.
Looks like there's some weight.